Alright everyone, welcome back to Bin Chicken Rags. I'm out here at Bella Vista Farm tonight for Echoes. So tonight's the 23rd of September. So if you come tomorrow, prices $10 for adults. Otherwise they are normally $17.50 for adults, $12.50 for kids, and $49 for a family of 4, which isn't a bad deal. Now, Echoes, what is it? Basically Lightscape that's normally or used to be on during Vivid. Bella Vista Farm doing their own thing this year. So I've come down to check it out. They have sessions every 15 minutes at start, like a timed entry thing. And they also, during the, I believe it's Sunday through Thursday, the first session of the night, which is about 6:15, they're extrasensory. So if you have a special needs child, autism, the likes, bring them down. They tone down the lights, they tone down the volume and everything. But let's check it out. So this one behind me is cool. So you walk around, you spin it, but it's also got the event Welcome to Country on it, and a little story about Darren Charlwood and someone else. But yeah, that's a cool way to enter. So there's parking on site. That's pretty self-explanatory. Apparently they do also have food trucks. There's none here. It is a Tuesday though. But yeah, that's kind of all I have to go off right now. The website is in the description though. Let's continue checking it out. Now that I've only been in here for about 5 minutes now though, but it reminds me a lot more of the Harry Potter Forbidden Forest experience that I did in Melbourne. Last I checked it was currently in Brisbane, hasn't come through Sydney yet, but I'll go again when it does. So this right now reminds me more of that than Lightscape, so if you've done that, cool. Still very different, but it's also got a hint of the Taronga ones that they used to do, which I will have a video coming up for their Taronga After Dark when that launches. I think it's 2 weeks, something. Kind of reminds me of the shadow gags from Austin Powers 2 and the new Naked Gun movie.
by men in chains. They were bakers, blacksmiths and farmhands, cast from their homelands for petty theft, hunger or desperation. Sent across the world, sentenced to labour in a land they did not choose.
They say this road will outlast us. I hope it does, for it's the only proof we were ever here.
With calloused hands and aching backs, they cut through bush and stone. Day by day, stone by stone, they built the foundations of a new colony. They were not free, but they left something that endures. These silhouettes before you are not just history, they are memory. They are the blood and sweat beneath the roads we travel, a legacy etched into the very fabric of this land.
I feel like to tell a story like that, they could not have picked a better place, considering the history of this place, and it's one of the only places in Sydney that we have somewhere with kind of convict ties almost, that hasn't been turned into a museum or is in the dead middle of the city.
It is said John founded the wool trade, but in truth, it was built day by day, and I was there each day, guiding the flock, keeping books, and sending fleece across oceans. Quietly, we prospered. My words travelled when I could not. In my letters, I recorded storms and harvests, grief and joy, the honest threads of a woman's life, stitched into the fabric of a colony.
This one gives me very Avatar Tree of Souls, and it's pronounced Vitaya Ramanong in Navi. Gives that kind of strong vibes. Boing, 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 boing. When did we start replacing the Connect with GoPros?
Daddy?
I should also mention, I believe Bella Vista Farm is open the first Sunday of every month. If you want to come down and check out the place in the day, it's run by volunteers, sausage sizzle, there's a few stalls here, and you can go inside much of these buildings, get tours of a few of them and all that, yeah, outside of, you know, event days like this. Okay, that part is easily far more Avatar than the rest of it, with all the fiber optics in the trees. Anyway, I found the food trucks. We've got the donut people that do those weird but nice donuts. Coffee, I don't need more. It's creme, pocket rockets, Indian pocket rockets, and some fairy floss. Give this a quick read. Down here at Bella Vista Farm, there is a whole host of bunya trees. These things. There's a whole heap of them. So they are known for dropping the bunya nut, which you can use in cooking, but also they're really dangerous because of that dropping, similar thing to coconuts. They also used to be used as location markers for effectively settlements. So back in, before roads were paved, if you saw a bunya on your travels, you knew there was civilization nearby. That's what these were used for in old, kind of pre-map days, if you will. Maps existed, but we didn't have Google Maps back then. so that concludes night out here at Echoes, Bella Vista. Took me, I can't see my watch, but I'm going to gather, I don't know, 45 minutes or so to get through. So it's running until the Monday of the long weekend. It's 8:30, so yeah, about 45 minutes to get through. It's running until the 6th of October, which is the Monday of the long weekend. So the day after the most important event of the sporting calendar of the entire year for the entire country, because no one cares about AFL. It's all NRL. So come out here, check it out. It's definitely worth it, especially for the price you pay. Let's see if I can get that to stay and not fall. Yeah, it's definitely worth it for the price that you pay. The $17 or the 10 I did, definitely worth it. No questions asked there. So it's definitely a mixture of the Harry Potter one. If you've experienced any of the Disney Avatar experiences, whether it was through Singapore or Florida, you're definitely looking in that area again with a couple of moments here. That last red room, I immediately went to John Wick 2. So if I can find Winter by Vivaldi, that's getting overlaid over that bit of the video. But yeah, so definitely come down, check it out. It's highly worth it. Surprisingly cheap too, but yeah. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to start some native grass.